Is this going to be the Switch Nemesis? Let's find out. Predator mode activated. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to talk about this Lyra, I hope to pronounce correctly, Lyra handheld game console. The name already says it. This is more like the Nemesis for the Nintendo Switch, I'm guessing, because this thing you can use it like a portable system on the go and can dock it, I'm guessing you can dock it, but you can plug it into your television and play some old school games. So I'm showing some Quake 3 Arena here on this video, and if I'm looking correctly, that was Tomb Raider from PlayStation. So now I'm very curious. Okay, so what are we going to get with this device? It looks very promising. They're showing off a lot of features on this thing, but I think the specifications and the power we are going to need for a lot of emulation and cool games to play. So there are a lot of questions and things that I think, okay, what can this little mean device give us? We have so many options nowadays. For example, we have a GPD, we have a Game Boy Pi, we have a cheap device from China that plays a lot of great stuff. So the question is, what will this little mean device give us? Okay, so let's talk about the design itself. First of all, we don't have an analog stick. I really love to know from you, what do you think of a portable system without an analog stick? I'm a big fan of a good D-pad. I personally play most of the time with the D-pad on my Game Boy Pi example. I don't even use this analog stick. I know, for example, Mario 64 adventure games, an analog stick is very convenient, but still I really like a D-pad. But there is something that I've noticed with this D-pad. Look at this. Doesn't this D-pad look like the one on my Wii U? Okay, that is pretty weird, but nevertheless. So I'm hoping they are making this device with a very good D-pad, because there is no one thing, there is no attachable analog stick, whatever, or Joy-Con like the Nintendo Switch. So, but if you look at the size, the measurements, and how big it is, I think this can be a very comfy portable system. Yeah, it's not so tiny like the LDK. I personally really love the LDK, but it was so tiny that you need to play like this. My fingers are cramping, my fingers are cramping. I want to do this special move. Something like that, you know. Right, most important, let's check out what kind of specification do we have. It comes with a quad-core, a very familiar one, if you ask me. So the display is a 5-inch screen. No 7 inches of fun this time. For example, with the X16, it's a little bit of a bummer, because I know a lot of people really like those big screens. Its resolution is 800 by 480, so it's not a very big, very huge resolution on this screen. But right, nevertheless, it's in TFT, so I'm guessing no EPS screen. And I don't know if you're familiar with the EPS screen, but I like the EPS screen because this gives us vibrant, very sharp colors. I personally really love it. So far I understand the LDK, coming back to the LDK again, has this screen. It's a tiny screen, but oh man, it looks so amazing. Great view angle, I love it. So I'm hoping this 800 by 480 LCD screen looks good. I hope so, because let's be honest, besides the controls, a good screen is something we all want. So basically, this thing is running on a Pi. Not the fastest Pi out there, but still it's running on a Pi. So I'm thinking, okay, I love this shell, to be honest, I really love it, so I hope I can try it someday. But still, I'm thinking, okay, we're having this device with a Pi in it. Gives it more a little bit like a double feeling, to be honest. We're having so many Pi-based systems out there. Okay, so there are two versions, and this is something that is not very new. For the people who are new to the channel and are not familiar with these products, there are a lot of great products out there with other brands and that have this option to build it yourself in a DIY kit or just buy it straight out of the box. So we're having here the straight out of the box. Looks pretty cool if you're going to get it like this. Get it out of the box, pull it out and just start gaming. But if you scroll a little bit down, you can see here we having this do-it-yourself kit. I'm guessing, looking at it, it's more like a plug and play, so no soldering required, or I'm hoping. This thing here, it only takes you 15 minutes, depends a little bit, because I did the GPI case and I can tell you, putting the thing together, no, that was not a big deal. Getting the software to run, that was a pain in the... and you know the rest. Alright, this is what you're going to get if it comes to building. You can see here there was no docking station, it's just plug and play with HDMI, so that's really cool. So yeah, they're showing it here that you can even use it like a PC. Of course, a very cool feature. So this is what we're going to get. Basically, it's again a DIY or plug and play Pi system, or correct me if I'm wrong. This is my video about it. I'm hoping in the future I can get one of these, but it's something we shall see then. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. And leave in the comments, what do you think of this? I really love to know your opinion about it. And I will leave a link of the Kickstarter page, so if you're interested in the product and you want to support them, you can do so. It's all up to you. It's your party. And let's make some more videos, and I'll see you next time. Let's go!